freeintromusic.com layout track.
Hello guys, welcome to this brand new video. This is how to make mutton stroganoff recipe at home. It's a delicious and creamy recipe. The choice of meat can either be mutton, lamb or beef. This video recipe has been slightly modified to add Indian spices. It's tasty and delicious. Try it, like it and subscribe to our channel. These are some basic ingredients needed. Take a screenshot, keep them ready before we go into the video. Keep mutton half kg washed. Add the spices, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, one teaspoon meat masala, one teaspoon coriander powder, one teaspoon pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix them well and marinate for half an hour. Take them in a pressure cooker. After the first whistle, simmer the cooker and keep it for about 20 minutes. Transfer it along with the broth to a container. Now we prepare the potatoes. Take 2 potatoes and slice them into medium-sized pieces. Boil in water with half teaspoon salt. Let it cool and peel the skin and set it aside. Now we prepare the mushrooms. Take button mushrooms and chop them into medium-sized pieces. Take a cooking pot with some oil. Add the mushrooms. Add turmeric powder half teaspoon. Black pepper powder half teaspoon. And salt half teaspoon. Stir fry in low flame for about 5 minutes. The mushrooms get cooked by releasing some water and shrinking in size. Now before we go into the next step, keep 1 onion chopped finely. Now take a non-stick cooking pan add some cooking oil. Add mustard seeds. Once the oil is heated fully, add the onion. Once the onion is fully cooked, Add 3 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted fully, add 2 tablespoons of maida flour or all-purpose flour. Now add the meat broth alone. Continue stirring as the curry thickens. Add ginger and garlic powder, half teaspoon each. If you don't have ginger garlic powder, you can add ginger garlic paste also. Mix it well in high flame. As an option, you can add oregano or Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon. Mix them well and keep stirring in medium flame. Once the curry is thick enough, add the mutton pieces. Add the cooked mushroom. And also add the potatoes. Add half a cup of water. And bring the curry to a boil. Mix them well and let the curry get cooked. At this stage, check and add salt if needed. Once the curry is well cooked, turn off the stove and let it cool. Add fresh cream 50 ml and mix well. Garnish with some coriander leaves and stems. Delicious and creamy mutton stroganoff recipe is ready. This can be served well as a salad, side dish, or as a soup. It goes well with noodles. Try this at home and add comments about how do you like the video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. for more exciting recipes. Thanks for watching.